If you want to wear 5 pounds of makeup, wear 5 pounds of makeup. If you don't want to wear none at all, don't. Just make sure you brush your teeth. It's all good. Honestly, I'm so extra. Are we like a teacher or are we a student? I tried to be cute taking them off. This is a vibe. This is a whole vibe. This is a vibe. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alvin the Chipmunk. I'm just kidding. No, hey. How you doing? No, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kayla. I don't wear glasses, but you know, it only made sense to put these glasses on, so. I mean, they're real glasses, they just don't have any prescription in them, so if I want to wear them, I can. But today I did this quick back to school makeup look. Literally, y'all, it'll take you like 10 minutes to do. So quick. Nothing really much to it. I just hope that you like it. And I wish the best, most successful, happy, memorable school year for all of you beautiful people who are going back to school soon, or if you've gone back to school already. Just good luck. I wish you luck. Do the damn thing. I'm in school too. Let's conquer this semester and we're gonna, heck in the middle, it's gone. I don't know, but I just hope you have a great school year. And yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to me and like this video. I will see you soon. So let's go to the next clip. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. About a pump and a half or so. I'm just going to use this all over my face, focusing it on my T-zone area. Okay, go on nice and smooth. I'm going to use a sponge and I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 410C. I'm just going to pump that, one pump or so on the back of my hand. One pump, and then I'm just going to dot this all over like so. And I'm just gonna start off with one pump, that way I can see like how much I want to add on. Because this is a back to school makeup look. I mean, of course we got our, you know, our lovely people who want to go in with the full cake face, like all about it. But if you're like me, well honestly, I'm more of a wake up, brush my teeth, throw something on, and go to school type person. But you know, this is for my people who just want, you know, just to look, you know, put together a little bit. And I don't know. I'm just gonna keep building up my foundation to where I'm happy with the coverage. And then with this foundation, you can still see your skin, so it's not like too much. It's not too much coverage. And then on top of it, we're using a sponge, which is going to soak up a lot of the excess. So this is just a really good foundation to use. If you guys want to see like an all drugstore, like when I say drugstore, I'm not even talking about Target. I'm talking about like, because you can't get Sony Cash in a drugstore besides Target. But like I'm talking about like CVS, Walgreens type drugstore. If you guys want to see a drugstore makeup look, strictly drugstore, I'm talking about brows, like every single product I use, then let me know. Now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Olive. And I'm going to use this to conceal. I'm going to draw a line right down the side of my nose on both sides. And then spread it just like that. I learned this trick from Wayne Goss, you know, he's just like Bill Nye the Science Guy for makeup. Because when you focus the concealer right here, the concealer spreads. So you can focus it right here and then build it out. Whereas if you go fully like that, it's just gonna be a lot, and then, I don't know. But I find this helps blend out my concealer really nice. I'm just gonna take my sponge and I'm going to just tap, tap, tap and blend and spread. And blend it out like that. Mind you, we're not going for like high glam, full coverage. We're just going for like, I want to look awake when I get up to go to class, you know? By the way, I'm going to conceal a little bit around my mouth. Like that. And like on the sides of my eyes, I have a little discoloration. Hyperpigmentation. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to let it sit a little bit. And then I'm going to just blend. This is perfect for work also. So any of my hard-working, lovely people go to work, this is something nice and quick to do also. I love bronzer, y'all. Like, I love cream contouring. It's the Born This Way Too Faced Concealer. I'm going to use the shade Toffee, and I'm going to use this to cream contour, which is my favorite part of my makeup routine. But I'm just going to, like that. Taking my sponge, I'm just gonna bring like some color into my face. This is what really makes you look like, dang, she did all that this morning. She put all that makeup on. It's like, no, hater. First off, mind your business. But no, it's not even that much. It looks like I, you know, have a full snatched face, which I mean I do, but just a little bronzer. I'm gonna add back in some concealer on my nose. Well, gonna add concealer to my nose. I'm gonna set my face with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. I'm gonna shake it, slap that ass, and I'm gonna use my same sponge. And I'm not baking, I'm just setting. And a little bit on my forehead. Now that Now that I set my face, I'm going to go in with a little... I'm more of a bronzer person, but if you like blush, you can. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to do what I like. I'm going to just add some bronzer to my cheek. I'm using the Becca Ipanema Sun Bronzer. I'm just using a big fluffy brush. I'm using a big powder brush. And I'm just going to warm up my face even more. I'm going to use this as my blush as well. Look how alive and all put together I look just with the bronzer. I love bronzer. It's my favorite. Okay, and we're almost done. I mean, I love highlighter, but for school, you could do what you want, but I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby highlighter. I'm just gonna put that on my nose, down the bridge. Doesn't really do anything. You know, so you can see me walking down a hall from another school. Like with this highlight, like you'll be able to be at your school and you'll see me in the hallway at my school, and we don't even go to the same school together, you know? Typically I wouldn't really do any like eyeshadow or anything, especially if I have lash extensions. It's all done. By the way, you'll be done this in 10 minutes. I'm just talking a lot. But as far as lips, my go-to like lip combo, I'm a little extra. I have 3 things, but it's really just like a dark, deep, like plum lip liner with like a mid-tone brown liner topped with a little pink. So I'm just gonna go in. So I take the plum lip liner by MAC, and I'm just going to line my lips. I mean, you can really like go on with some gloss and call it a day. But this is just what I would do. And if this is the first day of school, like, why not do a little extra, you know? And then I blend that in a little bit. And then I'm going on with my NYX lip liner in the shade Intimidate. And I'm gonna line, but above the line that I just did with the purple. And blend like that. Then we ain't not done. We're going in with the Kylie Liquid Lip and Candy K. Candy K, not Candy Kai, if that's what I said. And we on some. Okay guys, that's it for this little quick back to school makeup look. I didn't know what I was about to say, but that's it for this back to school makeup look. It's a quick, simple little beat, nothing too crazy. The products that I use really make you just look like, you know, your skin is still there. You're just like a little done up, you know what I mean? Just a little something, most of it. This is also really good for my ladies and gents who go to work and you just want to like, honestly, for instance, like when you are like done up or whatever, like say for instance if you have like a bomb workout outfit, you have a bomb workout. If you feel good about the way you look, you're gonna have a great day. It's just, I mean, I don't know if it's scientifically proven, but Kayla says that's true. Okay, yeah, don't forget to like and thumbs up this video. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, love you.